Discover how to optimize your Android device by adjusting key settings that can enhance performance, save battery life, and protect your privacy. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to disable specific Android settings. For this demonstration, we used a Samsung Galaxy A52 running Android 14. While interfaces may vary slightly across devices, the settings are similar. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. These tweaks will improve performance. By reducing the processor load, your device will run faster. Extend battery life. Turning off unnecessary features minimizes battery drain. Enhance privacy. Disabling certain settings ensures better control over your personal data. So, let's get started. Some apps continue running in the background, consuming power and data. To manage this, we need to enable developer mode. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap Software Information. Click Build Number 7 times. Enter your PIN or passcode when prompted. Return to Settings and scroll to Developer Options, now visible. Find Background Check under the App section and tap. Review the list of apps, especially those with time logged. Disable unnecessary background activity by toggling off apps you don't frequently use. Your phone constantly searches for nearby devices, which drains the battery. Open the Settings app. Tap Connections and More Connection Settings. Select Nearby Device Scanning and toggle it off. Open Settings again. Tap Location and then hit Location Services. Turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Stop sending usage data to Google or Android developers to save battery life. In Settings, tap Google. Tap All Services and select Usage and Diagnostics. Toggle the switch to off. Protect your device from malware by restricting unauthorized app installations. In Settings, tap Apps, and then the top Settings menu, Special Access. Tap Install Unknown Apps. Disable this setting for most apps by selecting Deny All. You can manually allow trusted apps to install updates when necessary. In Settings, tap Apps. Select an app, example Amazon Shopping. Tap Mobile Data and disable Allow Background Data Usage. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.